Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Admission Desk. So today we are going to discuss about DYPATIL Institute of Technology having a branch of mechanical engineering, that is Bachelors of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering. So you can see here we are taking every step from its website itself. So in anybody if interested want to take a management quota admission, so you can contact to this number and our counselor will talk to you. So let's go ahead with some fees structure, what is the placement package, and what is the eligibility for taking admission into mechanical engineering. So here you can see there is a how much intake we will see in mechanical engineering. So this is a 180 seats having a intake of mechanical engineering branch, having 4 years span of this course and 180 students. So taking every year they are taking 180 students batch and spanning for the 4 years. Okay, what is the fees structure? You can see here for the open fees structure is 90,000 rupees, plus that is tuition fees plus development fees is 30,500 rupees, and approximately totaling to 1 lakh rupees. Okay, now you can see here apart from that tuition fees and development fees, there is another fees, that is eligibility form fees 650 for Maharashtra student, and other than Maharashtra student 1150 rupees. Okay, so if any student want to take or any of your friend want to take management quota admission at DYPATIL University, you can contact to this number, that is 72493953. Now you can see here that what is the eligibility criteria. So there are two conditions. For example, if you are from Maharashtra state candidate, you can see here that you must have passed HSC higher school examination, that is a 12th or equivalent examination with physics mathematics as compulsory. So the both should be there in your subject with one of the chemist. So physics plus math plus chemistry, so there can be only one out of these subjects, then you are eligible for taking admission into it with at least 45 percentage for your category, and at least 40% in case of backward PWD belonging to Maharashtra state only. Okay, so second eligibility is past diploma in engineering and technology obtained at least 45 percentage or 40 percentage in case of backward class category. Third eligibility is means any eligibility, if you are satisfying the criteria you can take admission into it. Passed BSc examination from recognized university as defined by UGC and at least with 45 percentage marks. In case of backward, there is a 40% marks will make more than sufficient. Now you can see here that all India candidate, the this eligibility is somewhere same whatever we have discussed. Apart from this thing that obtain a score of CET or J main paper one, so that will be calculated for taking admission to this college if you are non-Maharashtra student. That is a all India candidate. These are the documents required for taking admission to this college. So this is, you can see, that is 10th 12th transfer certificate, nationality certificate, domicile, Aadhaar card, PAN card, migration certificate, gap certificate if applicable. You can see here this is the DY Patil Institute of Technology Mechanical Engineering Department placement. So this is the latest placement which has been highlighted in the website of this DY Patil Institute of Technology of 2023-24. So these are there is a huge number of list, approximately 180 students there were. You can see here that first is Pishal Sanika Anil. So on campus she has been placed in Adient India Private Limited, that is a very good company, and Bagal Ashwini Chakrakal. So all these students of the batch 2023-24 has been placed through on campus and to this company. So you can see here that your minimum package would be at least somewhere 4 lakh per annum. So I think this is a very good college to take admission. Even if you are scoring less marks in CET and you are not sure that you can take admission here, you can contact to this number through the management quota. You can take admission. Okay. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for the more updates, and make sure you share to the needy friend who want to take admission to the management quota. Thank you very much.